Here's our fish that we caught a couple of days ago. They've been in the cooler on ice. And what we're going to make tonight is blackened catfish. I'm going to use that seasoning. We just call it Tony's. Now, we're not sure how you say the last name. Is it Cheshire's? Cheshire's? I don't even know. So if you've got a pronunciation key for it, you can drop it down in the comments. Over here, we've got the potatoes that didn't seal yesterday. They're in here boiling. He's going to make smashed potatoes with them. And this is a skillet with bacon grease in it that we're going to use for the blackened catfish. Alright, he's just loading it up with the Tony's and black pepper. And season it up real good. I'll bring you back in just a minute. Okay, these whole fish are all seasoned up and ready to put in that hot skillet. One brim. A couple more catfish. Couple brim and big fillet there. We're going to go ahead and cook it all up because we can eat on this for a couple of days, yeah.
Normally it'd be cooked in butter.
Right, for the blackened.
Had all this bacon grease, so.
Yeah, because we just fried some bacon that once it's cool is going to be crumbled up into the smashed herb potatoes. It's just boxed macaroni and cheese with some butter and cream in it. Fish is seasoned up, the other fish is frying, and he's just smashing potatoes. Not mashed with a mixer, just smashed so that they don't get glutinous or whatever. Yeah. And that's just the herb potatoes that I canned the other day. I'll link you to that description. To that video in the description box. A little bit of half and half.
More butter.
Hold this very steady, stretched out like this. Right. That's real butter, not margarine. But you can use margarine if you want to.
But you shouldn't.
Butter is so much better. It just makes a better end product when you cook or anything with butter. Okay. Now he's putting crumbled bacon in it. We'll mix that all in it, and that's all it will need. It's not going to need gravy or anything, so it's going to be very rich smashed potatoes without any kind of gravy.
There's more bacon over here, so I'll probably put some of that in macaroni too.
Oh, that'd probably be good. There you go on the flip side. Yeah, it's getting tender. There's the crust forming on the fish from the seasonings alone. No other breading is on there.
You have to leave it alone and not touch it at all.
It'd be a hard thing for me because I always want to stir things. But it looks very good. It smells good. Okay, so there we are. The blackened catfish, macaroni and cheese with bacon, a Hawaiian dinner roll, smashed potatoes from the herb potatoes, the ball recipe ones that I canned with some bacon in there, and broccoli.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts, I do it every time. Oh my gosh, and I was really trying to think not to do that. Brussels sprouts that were sauteed up in the pan that the
bacon grease and butter.
Yeah, bacon grease and butter that had the fish in it. So there we go. We're going to sit down and eat. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And I want to thank those who have donated to my tip jar. God has really helped us put gas in the generator. Go fishing. Put gas in the truck. And get bait even for catching fish. Okay, thanks a lot.